So 2 hours in to our big daycare center roof. The guys are just killing it. Everything's coming off really nicely. Castile brought us another dumpster. Got everything positioned nice for us. These are small outbuildings that we've got to do. May not get those today, but we got tomorrow as well. Weather's really nice. But the crew is just really getting after it. It's going to be a nice job. So daycare centers, private schools, got buildings like this that need guaranteed completion times. We can schedule things on a weekend for you and make it happen with no disturbance to your occupants. So please give us a call, 478-501-0102, and we can handle your large projects, no issues whatsoever. Thank you for watching.